Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sithelo, so please don't forget to like, subscribe and also share this video. Shawn Mkhize released a statement denying the allegations that Sithelo has made against her son Andile. While Sithelo shared an old screenshot between her and allegedly Mkhize on her Instagram to prove that Mkhize allegedly knew what was going on between her, Sithelo, and Andile, you guys. So the conversation reads as follows. The conversation allegedly starts with Shawn Mkhize saying, I think me, you, and him, we need to talk. It's important, and this time, both you must take my advice and listen to me. I would also like for your mom to be part of this meeting. Maybe I need her this time. I can't do this alone. We have left this thing far so long. This thing is both affecting us. I think I must also involve my brother, as you have said before. That maybe he needs a father figure to advise him, and my sister and his husband. You must tell me who else on your side would like to be involved in this meeting, as I don't want to look like I am ignoring the problem and I'm not resolving it. Sithelo responded by saying, honestly speaking, I'd appreciate that for everyone's sake, more especially his, not because he needs to be punished or confronted, but just enlightened and even going forth. My mom isn't as involved, which I don't like, and I'm the cause of, and then she cancelled the part that she doesn't want us to see, you guys. Shawn Mkhize allegedly replied to Sithelo and said, baby girl, I'm so sorry you're feeling like that, but at this point in time, I am unable to help you and him. Have been in court yesterday and today, can't deal with it. You and him are really stressing me now. I don't know what to do anymore. I have spoken to both of you as a mother, but it seems like my advice are not being considered. I will talk to you and your mom once my critical court matters are done. If it's finalized by tomorrow, I'm in court as we speak right now. I can only support your relationship, but I can't force anyone between the two. Sithelo responded by saying, I fully understand, ma. Do take care. And then Mkhize said, thank you for understanding. There you have it, guys. That was the conversation that Sithelo leaked between her and allegedly Shawn Mkhize. Now do let me know what you think in the comment section below. Subscribe if you have not yet done so. I shall surely see you on my next upload. Thanks for watching this video. Bye.